Registration open for TCS National Qualifier Test. Hello friends, this is Akshay and welcomes you all on this channel of Career Edge. And in this video, I am going to show you the whole things about the TCS National Qualifier Test. But before beginning this video, please subscribe our channel because this type of educational updates you always get on our channel. So the registration is open for TCS NQT and the deadline is 10th of the February 2021. The test is going to organize on 18th and 19th of February 2021. So before deadline, please register on this, and if you take an attempt of October 2022 TCS NQT, then you can check your score here. Now I am going to show you about the TCS National Qualifier Test. This is a test conducted by TCS Tata Consultancy Services for getting entry-level jobs in various companies, and in this TCS National Qualifier Test, there are three types of exams. I am going to show you in this video later. Firstly, about the test. Candidate with TCS NQT score is eligible to get any job of TCS or the company related to Tata. Next is this is wholly online mode test and it is conducted in various cities of India. 2-year validity of any NQT score, and at the last you can apply in any entry level jobs in various corporates which linked with the TCS NQT. So I am going to show you which companies are related with this TCS NQT. So firstly, you all wants to know the eligibility for this or for who can apply for this TCS National Qualifier Test. All the students who are pursuing UG, PG or diploma can apply for this. Also, students with any background such as branch or specialization can apply for any job which is related to TCS NQT any exam. And after, freshers with less than 2 years experience also can apply for this. And the one more thing which is you need to know, that is only 3rd year and 4th year student who are pursuing undergraduate degree can apply for this. So here are the brands, the well-known brands who accept TCS NQT scores while recruiting. So you can see there are various brands, Chroma and all the Tata brands and many more. And this is not the only list, there is very big list, and here there are three type of exams TCS NQT conducts. One is general NQT, second is industry NQT, and last is subject NQT. So let's see what are the specification of this. NQT are the general exam, anyone can give this exam. Next is industry NQT and the last is subject NQT. So the most important is subject NQT because this exam is for the students who are related to computer science background. You can see there are different tests, IT tests, computer science tests and also accountancy tests. Accountancy questions are very normal type, and also there are the questions from reasoning and other. Industry test is also where you can get some programming question but not a difficult type. In general, TCS NQT exam is not very difficult, it is moderate type and anyone can qualify, anyone can pass, but the important is to get a good rank in TCS NQT. So here you can see why you need to choose TCS NQT, because many companies are recruiting because on the basis of NQT, and you can find your job preparedness from these exams also. And you can see here journey to dream job in TCS and Tata related companies. First you need to register, then you need to select the TCS NQT variant, take the test, and the last is while you getting the result you can apply for any Tata related jobs. So you can see more related products of TCS. You can take TCS and remote internships in this COVID-19 period also. And after that TCS and prep for jobs and also TCS and career age whose videos are, so you can make your preparation from this type of courses which are available on TCS IN. And if you have any doubt left after this video, you can directly contact to the TCS, which number is given on the screen. You can also email, and if you have any more doubts which is related to this type of questions, you can visit this tab by going to the description where I put the link, and you just tap on and you find this tab and you can get all the answers. So here must apply for this TCS NQT. There is very easy registration process. Firstly, you need to create your account on TCS Ion, which is very easy. You can create your account with various social media platforms, and also after creating your account you can directly register for this. So this much in this video. If you like this video, please share with your friends and also subscribe our channel for more this type of video.